October is here, and it is National Eat Better, Eat Together Month, encouraging families to gather for at least one meal a day. Everyone benefits from having conversations at the dinner table about one another's day, and families who eat at least one meal together tend to make healthier choices about what to eat. In the second video in the Eat Better, Eat Together series, I'll be sharing 3 cookbooks that specifically include recipes for snacks, which the whole family can enjoy. Dinner Made Easy with 6 Sisters Stuff. Time-saving recipes for busy moms by 6 Sisters Stuff blog. When it comes to busy moms trying to create family meals, the 6 Sisters Stuff blog is the go-to location for 7 million readers every month. Their latest cookbook is a compendium of quick, easy, and delicious family dinner entrees, with all the organization, all the taste testing with kids, and all the tips to cut the prep time. Eat What You Love, Quick and Easy by Marlene Cook. Can you really enjoy quick and easy meals while watching your sugar, fat, and calories? Cook shows you the way to eat better faster without sacrificing taste. These better-for-you recipes are fast, fuss-free, and delicious. The School Year Survival Cookbook, Healthy Recipes and Sanity-Saving Strategies for Every Family and Every Meal, Even Snacks, by Laura Keogh and Carrie Marsh. This cookbook is a fail-proof guide to the calendar-packed time that can break a parent's spirit, the school year. Making it easier for you, this cookbook has recipes for snacks and treats near the back. You can search our catalog for more books like the ones you've heard here by visiting www.wtcpl.org. Thanks.